Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDJPY. But before we start to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to say that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. But we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, okay? Especially in these troubling times, okay? So with that being started, let's go ahead and get started breaking this down. Okay. So from a fundamental analytics standpoint with the currencies respectively for JPY and the USD, there has not been much change since the videos that was posted on the 31st. The fundamentals are pretty much still the same. We're both coming into this particular week of the mid part of our trading week, but both these currencies still remaining as our two weaker currencies. It's just that the Japanese yen is acting as the weaker one when it comes to this particular pair. And it's that the USD is acting as the stronger one, even though it's one of our weaker currencies coming into the midpoint of this trading week. Nothing has changed too much with the fundamentals. To just give you a quick overview, what's happening with the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen is coming into part of our trading week as one of our weaker currencies. This is due to the sole fact of the very lax style that the Japanese government has chosen to combat its inflation. And this is due to the fact that the Japanese do not want to take a strong stance in trying to combat inflation with the way the world global market is looking, because becoming too aggressive with inflation could put them in a position like America is right now, which is causing the US dollar to become weak, is that we took too much of an aggressive stance to try to combat our inflation, and now our inflation is actually rolling over to recession. So the Japanese have decided to actually just let the inflation run its course, and they'll pick up the pieces after it's finished running its course through its economy. And until then, the Japanese yen is going to remain a weak currency, one of our weaker currencies. So with the USD, just like I said, we're going from an inflation to a recession, and this is due to our aggressive attempts to try to combat inflation from a economic policy standpoint. Did not go well for the USD. Then on top of that, you have rising gas prices. To understand the correlation between the USD and gas prices, I strongly suggest you watch the USD CAD video. We go into great detail about that on there. So with the rising gas prices, the FUD surrounding the USD, which is the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and also with more negative news or positive news, we're looking at a weakened USD. We're also looking at a weakened JPY. But when it comes to this particular currency pair, we're looking at a weakened. When it comes to this particular currency pair, even though both these currencies are weak, the USD is going to act as the strong one, and the Japanese yen is going to act as the weaker one. Okay, so we're going to be looking for price to go up with this particular pair. So we may hit before the end of this week, we may hit another record all-time high, probably like a 22 to 25 year time all-time high with this pretty soon, especially once we break above this area here. We're definitely going to be looking at all-time record high numbers. So we're going to be looking for price to come up some. I particularly don't like to trade around all-time highs, so that means prices are going to drop soon. I just don't know how aggressively price is going to drop. Okay, but we're going to be anticipating this chart to go up another 20, 30, 40 pips possibly before it starts to go down. It's going to do some downward downfall tumble pretty soon, but it's just kind of too hard to call with the Japanese yen being this weak. But when the Japanese yen starts to pick up some strength, this is going to fall like somebody's chopping down a tree. But as of now, we're going to be looking for price to pick up to at least here or here to this general area here. Okay? If you guys enjoy our content, we ask that you guys please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get up-to-date notifications on every time we drop new trading content, okay? Also, we ask that you guys please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos allows our content to get pushed further out there in YouTube so we can continue to grow a community of profitable traders, because our goal is to grow a community of profitable traders, okay? And also, last but not least, we ask that you guys please reach out to us and let us know what type market analysis videos you guys do want to see so we know how to best to accommodate and serve you. You can leave a comment on whatever video that you do watch, or what you can do is you can reach out to us either through our email or through our social media. The links to our email and social media is in the description of every video, okay? And with that said, happy trading.